Hey traders, welcome to Trade This Market video update for June 17th, 2024. You're looking at a daily 4-hour and a 15-minute chart of ES contract, which is a proxy for S&P 500. So we have been talking about this 5540 for a couple of weeks now. We've had this zones drawn out 2-3 weeks in advance, and finally we're hitting these numbers. And so what does this mean in terms of where this market is likely to go? Does this mean that we're going to see a full-blown reversal? And the evidence is still not present that we are ready to go down to the downside. If anything, we're still bullish. And the evidence that we have is because the weekly chart is still bullish, daily chart is still bullish, but we are oversold, we're overly extended. And so anytime we're overextended like this, you have to be careful, and you are looking for signs and signals to see if a trend is changing. So first sign that the market will give us is that the price will close below the signal line, and then this would turn red or pinkish. This would be on top of the price. And so that would give us a reversal signal, bona fide reversal signal that this market is ready to go to the downside. But that evidence is still not there. Even though we're overextended, we can stay overextended, for next 2 to 3 days, 5 days, 7 days, 10 days. Who knows? Market does what market does. And so we have to take everything, what the chart is telling us and trade by that. Now, let's talk about today's price action, and then we're going to talk about the upper target. So upper target still remains 5600, 5610, and then just above that is 5696. So those are the targets we have to the upside. Now, let's talk about to the downside. If we are able to see some sort of retracement, we might see 5520, and then just below that is 5475, 5478, somewhere in the zone. By then, all of these lines will catch up in the market, and then we may actually retest this all-time high and go or make our way back to 5600, and then we'll see how the market is reacting. Today's price action. So at the onset of this market open up right here, it's a 930 candle. Market was a little bit bearish overnight, but it wasn't going anywhere. The candles were little. They were not meaningful, impactful candles, and so we knew that we were looking for some sort of bounce to the upside. And that confirmation came in at 10 o'clock here, but we had a little bit of resistance to deal with. We had a 50-period moving average. We had an overnight pivot. So as soon as we overcame both of those right here in this candle at 10:45, the trade was on. So ideally speaking, as soon as this candle closed, we had an entry. By then, this 4-hour is turning to the upside as well. And anytime when the 4-hour gets in the same direction as the daily chart, we know that we're looking for a huge rocket right to the upside, and that's exactly what happened here. So the entry is 5502.03, and then the exit came in the afternoon session at 5547. So good 45, 47 point profit target in this market. Anytime, again, when a 4-hour gets in the same direction, we expect at least 20, 30, 40 point gain, and that's exactly what the market gave us. So first thing in the morning, what we're going to do is look for what the 4-hour chart is telling us, what the daily chart is telling us. If there is any overnight sell-off, then we'll deal with that. But for all practical purposes, it looks like this market wants to keep on going higher. And we're going to take every setup that's available to us on a 15-minute chart, 4-hour chart, to take these trades to the upside and then exit according to what the chart is telling us. So I hope this helps. Stay safe, stay nimble, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.